Good morning on Carter's Tiny Homestead. Well, it's more like afternoon. I think it's actually after 11. Nonetheless, I'm eating my first meal of the day because I was not hungry for breakfast. And generally, I don't really want to eat in the morning, not until after I've had a certain something. So I now have the munchies, and I'm gonna go find me duck eggs to cook for lunch. So come along as I dig around. My name is Davey. Life got crazy. I used to get around.
Traveling, he said.
Mama missed your baby. Now I'm back in town on the Carter's Tiny Homestead. That's what I want. That's what I want. This is the duck area. We have been working on this and not working on it, working on it some more and doing nothing else to it. It's a real endeavor, and I don't think any of us really want to endeavor it. But we do still have duck eggs in and about this place, so I'm looking for them. Oh, where are the ducks at? Oh, that's right. The ducks aren't even in here anymore. I let them out, and I never put them up. Dang it. Where could their eggs be? Dang it. Dang it. Now I gotta go find their eggs. It's not a duck hunt. It's an egg hunt. I forgot I let the ducks out 4 days ago. And so actually, I don't know where their eggs would be. Oh, hopefully they're sitting on them. That'd be nice. Let's see. Okay. I know they're in the backyard garden somewhere. Those are eggshells. So there they are. They've been hanging out over here. How'd that boy duck get out? That boy duck has been roughing them up. So if they're out here, there goes more eggshells. Where are they laying their eggs at? There's Taco. Taco is the main layer that's been here a long time. But where could their eggs be? Look at them run, little chickens. Where, oh, where could these duck eggs be? Where, oh, where could they be? They haven't been home, so they're not laying back in their duckery. Dang it. Where could their duck eggs be? Oh, look, I threw a tomato. This is where it landed. That's funny. Oh, look, they love it. Where could the duck eggs be? Oh, sometimes they come over here where it's all muddy. Dang. Oh! Look what I found. Yes. But there's like, what, 5 of them? That means that there should be at least 5. They've been out for a couple days. Aw. Let's look at your feathers. She's looking beat up. I wonder if it's from that boy duck. We have one boy duck, and he seems to just terrorize the girls. Look at them. Look how cute they are. I'm not even bothering you, Taco. So I got me an egg for breakfast. I kind of want another one, though. I want 2 eggs for breakfast. Oh, dang. That's looking terrible. Dang it. We got to figure out a way. Yeah. I gotta tell my mom we need to get some. So we were trying to be organic, dude, but Our tree collards are getting roughed up by those, I don't even know what they're called. Ooh, let me get one of these. Look at this tomato. That's looking good. I might have to have another tomato picking video, and this time I made marinara. What else can you make with tomatoes? I could make marinara again, and this time make pizza. Ooh, flatbread pizzas. Mmm. I just bought some yeast. Maybe I'll even make, maybe I'll make focaccia. Oh, okay. Mmm. Good morning, y'all. Whoops. I started cooking. And now the house is filled with smoke. Whoops. Dang it. Funny enough, the air alarm, how come the smoke alarm isn't going off? I just burnt some oil. Oh my goodness. Well, it's not really burnt, but it sure is about to be real hard. What are you barking about? Mmm. Mmm, delicious. Oh my goodness. You wanna eat this? Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Let's see if he will. Wanna eat this? He does like the stuff from the garden. Oh, probably because it's acidic. Oh. Oh my goodness, so delicious. Mmm, look at that delicious egg. Mmm. My name is Davey, life got crazy, I used to get around. Mama missed a baby, now I'm back in town on the Carter's tiny homestead.